Here is a portable 360-degree vise that should be present in every electronics workshop. A vise is a clamp with jaws that can hold things securely. It can act as a third hand for you. If you need to hold something, this will help you, so you won't need another person. On the surface, it looks just like a regular vise. It has a very unique design. It opens just like a regular vise and closes the same way. You can hold anything in it. Now, let me tell you about its first feature. The jaws are made of rubber. Since I do a lot of electronics work, the rubber jaws allow me to hold any type of electronic parts. Even if I have some fragile parts, I can hold them securely. I can work easily by holding them in place. That's the first advantage of this vise. Let me show you how it holds something. I have an IGBT here, so I'll place it in this vise. I've easily held it in place. Now, with the help of the screw, I'll tighten it. Now, this IGBT won't fall out of the jaws. The rubber jaws make it work very well, and there isn't too much pressure on the part either. Now I can easily and comfortably check this IGBT. It has become my third hand. It becomes even handier when it changes its position to different angles. Look here, there is a straight design underneath. Inside, there is a round ball. Now, how does this round ball work? For that, there is a screw here. This is its adjustment. When I loosen it, the vise starts rotating. After loosening it, it rotates easily. There is grooving done here. Through these cuts, you can adjust the vise head to the position you need. You can adjust and use it according to your needs. Now let me show you how this helps in different positions. Set it in your desired position and tighten the adjustment screw here. It won't move from its place. Let me show you what else I can do with it. I've set it in position. Now, here is a circuit board. If I want to hold the circuit board straight to work on it, whether you're a hobbyist, DIYer, student, or professional, you'll need to hold a soldering iron in one hand and soldering wire in the other. It would be very difficult to work like this. To hold the circuit board straight, I would need another person to hold it for me, and then I could work. But the easy solution is to not need anyone else and still get the job done. I place the circuit board in the vise jaws, and now it becomes a third hand. You won't need another person's help. You can easily hold the circuit in this portable vise and work on it effortlessly. Now, I can work on this circuit without any help from anyone. And the rubber provides a lot of advantages because it prevents too much pressure from being applied to the circuit board. Let me tell you about another fantastic advantage of this vise. You'll find an additional function with this vise. I've returned it to its original position. You'll notice a handle on the base as well. Now you need a flat surface. When I rotate the handle, the base will stick to the surface. My vise has gotten a bit worn out because I've been using it for 5 years. There are some cuts on the rubber of the base, so it's not creating an airtight seal anymore. But this is an excellent feature that I've been using for a long time. The rubber inside moves inward, and when you release the handle, it creates an airtight seal. This makes the vise hold its position firmly. By securing it in place, you can get even better use out of it. It will grip the surface strongly. You can perform heavy tasks on it, though not too heavy, and this way you can use it effectively. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.